Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is a Trendsend day. I'm pretty excited about this one. My last Trendsend was probably the worst one I've had yet. Hopefully this one will make up for that. In case you didn't know, Trendsend is another one of those styling services. It's a little bit more expensive, a little bit more upper end than the Stitch Fix or Wannable, although they do have a lot of the same things. But Trendsend is generally a little more expensive in my view. I'll have everything down below in the description as well as a link for a discount, and I think it's $25 for your first box. Not quite sure. Thanks to those of y'all who have used my code. It has really helped me a lot. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and show you these clothes. I already have them on, and let's get started with the Trendsend box for fall. We are going to start with outfit number 1. This is the Faherty Artisan Block Print Blouse by Portia Top. I love the pretty fall colors. It has this interesting detail around the neck. It's got the V, and then the sleeves have, let me back up a little bit. They're 3/4 sleeves. They've got elastic, but then they also have a button somewhere. A little button right there. They paired that with the Reese Utility Ankle Straight jeans by Cut From The Cloth. And these are powerful. Just the color. I like these. I like these jeans. Of course, I love Cut From The Cloth. They're a little more casual. I like this pocket, or these pockets. There's 2 of them. I like that. I like the little bit of distressing. I like the straight. I'm getting more and more used to it. So I like these. This top is $110. The Cut From The Cloth jeans are $87.20, which is about the norm for Cut From The Cloth. Let me show you this untucked. I love it. I really do. I like these jeans a lot. I love the top too, but $110, I think really hard about it. Outfit number 2. This is, again, I've got the Cut From The Cloth jeans on, which I'll have on for the rest of the try-ons. But this top is it's the brushed raglan top by Red Hot, H-A-U-T-E. It's in Heather Oat Ivory. And this is 70/40. And it's really, really soft. It feels really good. It's got the ribbed sleeves. It's got the snap buttons at the top, which I think are really cute. And then it's got the ribbed bottom. It's not super heavy. In fact, you can kind of see through it. 70/40. Not sure it's 70/40 cute. I'll be right back. This is the Milo Linen Rib Henley by Evereve, white, size medium, and it is $54.40. It's got the snap buttons all the way down. It's got this little stand-up collar. There's the back. I don't know. I may look at the video and think differently, but I don't think it's super flattering on me. And here it is, untucked. Let me know what you think about this one. I will be back with outfit number 3. Okay, this is the Chill Out vest by Sanctuary. And it's cute. I don't like it on me. I don't like it for me. The armholes are pretty big. This one seems bigger than this one. This one's gapping a little bit more. But it's bra friendly, but this is kind of big right here. It is $55.20. I don't like it for me. It's a cute vest, but let me know what you think. We'll be back with the last top. All right, this is the last outfit. This is the plaid dropped shoulder tunic by Sanctuary, and it is $71.20. I was so surprised that I like this, but I thought this was so cute with these jeans. It does have the dropped shoulders. It's really long in the back, and then I've tucked the front in. It's got these roll tab sleeves. Yep. It's black and blue. I think I'm gonna keep these two things. Let me know what y'all think. That's it for this Trendsend box. I think it was pretty good. I think Hunter redeemed himself from the last box. That's it for this one, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.